James, do you want to hear Five Little Monkeys? Yeah? Five Little Monkeys? Ready? Okay. Five Little Monkeys. It was bedtime, so the monkeys took a bath, got in their pajamas, brushed their teeth, and said, "Night-night, Mommy." And then 5 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 4 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." The end. Hi, James. 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." The end. Let's see what Liam's doing.
Shake, shake, shake.
Hi, Liam.
Shake your
Are you spinning your numbers?
Yeah.
Are you spinning your numbers? Is that what you're doing? Yeah. Here.
James.
What's that? What's that?
Wow.
Oh, yeah? Are you done in there? Are you done? Hey, James,
Yeah.
come back. Yeah, James. What are you doing leaving me with these two? I'm on your way. Hi. Hi. So happy. Hi.
The other boys are in here, Liam. What you want to stay in there with those girls?
He's like, I can't move.
They have me in this contraption.
Uncle Dave.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming to get me. Hi.
Are you excited to see James?
Don't bite Mommy.
James, get closer, please. Hi, James. Did you have fun at the pool today?
James, look at your Aunt Jessica.
Hey, crazy hair. There's Liam in the background.
James.
Is Uncle Dave making you laugh? Yeah. He's so funny. He's so funny. Oh, here comes Big James. This is Big Boy James.
Hi, buddy. Are you shy, Liam? Aw, yeah, there's Liam.
Yeah. Oh, what's going on?
Uh-oh, where'd James go? I'm back here.
Is he behind you?
Liam?
Oh. Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Good
Tell
boy.
Liam about your day at the pool.
Yeah.
How much fun. He'll just love it.
Okay, I'm coming to get you, Liam.